Unlimited chicken, unlimited sisig, unlimited fries, unlimited rice. Yes, you heard it right. Spryce is now open in Argao, located near Jinsi, so sa lungsod ni siya, guys. My family dined there tonight, and of course, gitry jud namo ilang puchero, nacho, chicken, and sisig. If ganahan jud mo mubanat og kaon, pwede mo order sa ilang unlimited food. But if pareha mo namo na nangita og budget-friendly meals, naa sila value meals, guys, wherein makapalit mo og either one piece or two pieces chicken. You can also choose to add sisig with rice na ilang value meals with drinks na sad. So check out the menu na akong gipang butang sa videos because they also have a la carte and toppers available. I can say na anak ko new favorite na resto for my nacho cravings and maoning Spryce. You have to try their nachos, guys. Also, ilang puchero the best for sharing na sad ilang serving sa puchero, guys. So kami sa akong pamilya nag-order mi sa two-piece chicken. Ang kids wala lang mag-apil og sisig. So si kid and akura ang nagsisig sa among value meal. Worth it kaayo ang 1,000 namo na order, guys. You can also choose jablo, garlic aioli, or barbecue for your value meal na chicken. Thank you, Spryce. Busog kaayo mi sa among pamilya, and of course, looking forward to coming back to Spryce. Thank you so much for watching this video, lovies, and I hope to see you next time. Enjoy watching the video! Guys, shout out day ko ni Ma'am Sheila Marie, staff diri sa Spryce. Visit niya mo diri, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am.